Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Fish of the Week. My name is Sarah, and today we're going to talk about a very unique fish that we have in our stockpiling tank. He was really hard to identify because he has a face of a grunt, a body of a croaker, a tail kind of like a snapper tail, but then the coloration almost of a snook. And he has kind of an unusual story of how he actually came here to the river center. Two of our friends actually from fishing headquarters, and they're actually creators of a YouTube channel called Move and Wait Fishing. They caught this fish back in December of 2019, and they really couldn't figure out what it was. So they brought it here to the river center in hopes that we could identify it, and we couldn't. It was really difficult, and we can identify a lot of fish, let me tell you. So we actually had to call in some reinforcements. We contacted David Snyder, who actually writes all of our ID books, and he actually was the one to finally tell us what it was. It's a burro grunt. So we're going to get a little bit closer and check him out.
Grunts are similar to snappers but lack prominent teeth. Just like their name suggests, grunts get their name from their ability to produce grunting sounds by grinding their teeth that are located in the back of their throat. Burro grunts are golden brown with dusky pigment in the fins and tail. They have no stripes or obvious markings. The one identifying feature that ultimately allowed us to properly identify the fish was the enlarged anal spine. This spine is the most notable feature that distinguishes them from all other grunts. Most species of grunts are concentrated in southeast Florida and the Florida Keys. Grunts are tropical species and are found in habitats like seagrasses, mangroves, reefs, and wrecks offshore. You can also find this species in the brackish waters of Central America and the Greater Antilles, and are generally only limited to coastal rivers in Florida that are connected to lagoons, such as the Waxahachie River. Grunts are an important resource for many fish-eating predators. They are ecologically important to shallow water food webs, which is a fancy way of saying that lots of other fish like to eat them. The ecology and habits of burro grunts are not well known in Florida. What we know based on our observations in the aquarium is that he does not typically school up with other fish in the tanks and has learned over time to be aggressive enough during fish feeding to get his share. He is very inquisitive and swims from top to bottom and all around.
I hope you guys enjoyed learning about this unique and not often found fish. And to all those anglers getting out on the water this summer, keep an eye out. for the one fish that looks like a mosaic of different fish combined, the Burro Grunt. Thank you guys for joining us, and we'll see you on our next video. Bye!